So today we're going to discuss a really simple technique on how to avoid cutting your fingers. Now, I went through years and years of scars, band-aids, blood, and cutting my knuckle. And through different ways of holding the hair, you too can basically eliminate the amount of times that you cut your knuckles. It doesn't mean you'll never stop cutting them. I still cut my knuckles to this day. You kind of get careless. But there's actually a way to hold the hair so that you're not cutting your fingers as often anymore. Now we have Jennifer Lawrence here as our model, and we're actually not going to cut Jennifer's hair, but I'm going to use Jennifer's hair just to be able to hold it so I can explain to you exactly how I'm now holding hair versus how I used to hold it, the very first year when I first started cutting hair. I still have a little scar to this day right here on my knuckle, but I learned very, very quickly through observing other people how they hold hair on a much better way to hold hair. So you may already know this. If you're someone who's been cutting hair for quite some time, you're probably already holding hair this way. But if you're new to cutting hair, you're a cosmetology student, or maybe you're somebody that just cuts your family and you don't get the opportunity to see how other people hold hair, this video is for you. Now, a lot of people will hold hair like this and comb it up because that's kind of how they were taught. And then when they go to start cutting, they whack themselves right here. This is where the cutting of the knuckle happens. So the best way to start to hold hair so that you're not cutting that knuckle or this knuckle, mostly it's usually your middle finger knuckle, the best way to start to hold hair is actually, what you're going to want to do is more of an under-over. So I'm going to comb the hair and I'm going to put this finger, my pointing finger, under my middle finger. So let me show you how that looks. So, combing this up, and under, over, this finger is under this one, holding it up. Now, what happens is, my fingers are sideways, okay? And if they're sideways, that actually puts my knuckle out away from me. This is my knuckle on top, okay? That's how I was holding it. But now I'm putting it under over, and that takes the knuckle out of the picture. So as I come here and cut the top, I can go crazy, and it's never going to catch that knuckle skin anymore. So practice this. Basically comb the hair and under over, like that, okay? And by doing that, you eliminate getting that knuckle. This is what it looks like from the side, the way we're typically taught right from the beginning, exposing the knuckle skin. But now, by just simply turning my hand from pointing up and down to sideways and then going under over, like that, when I go ahead and cut that hair, I've taken my knuckle and pointed it away from my chest, away from the blade, and I place my scissor right there flat on my pointing finger, and I can just cut away, and I don't have to worry about cutting that knuckle. If you've cut yourself before and you know exactly what I'm talking about, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to put a comment section below. And if you liked it, you like this channel, hey, don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you so much, and looking forward to seeing you guys very soon.